Hey everyone, welcome back to Preyo Promo. In today's video, I'll show you how to update your LinkedIn profile picture and cover photo step by step in a simple and professional way. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Google Chrome on your device. Step 2. In the search bar, type linkedin.com and press search. Step 3. Once LinkedIn opens, click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Step 4. Tap on View Profile. Step 5. Click on the profile plus icon, select Upload Photo, choose your photo, open it, and press Save Changes. Step 6. Next, click on the cover camera icon, select Upload Photo, choose your cover image, open it, and press Save Changes. Your LinkedIn profile picture and cover photo are now updated successfully. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Preyo Promo for more simple and professional tech guides. See you in the next video.